Sharp and welcome to my channel. So for today's video is I'm gonna do my BoxyCharm unboxing. I'm gonna try it on, so hope you guys will like this video. BoxyCharm is one of my favorite subscription boxes. I've already been subscribed through BoxyCharms for about 4 years now. So I have a couple videos from the past for my BoxyCharms unboxing, and this year I said to myself that I'm going to do my monthly subscription. I'm gonna try, but the January, I missed the January. Well, I did receive my January box, but I didn't I missed to upload that video. But anyways, for today's video is my February box, and I'm gonna give you a little bit of information about the BoxyCharms. So the BoxyCharm is a $21 a month subscription box where you can receive 5 or 6 full-size products. So if you guys are interested in signing up for BoxyCharm, you can use my link down in the description down below, or also you can go to their website. So anyways, let's get into it. Let's start. So this is what I got for my BoxyCharms February box. I think I have like 5 full-size products. So the first one is the Touch and Sol No Pore Blem Primer, and I already used that before putting on my my foundation. I just have to cover up my my face because it's my face is not in a good condition right now. For this primer, the price is $18. This full size is, if you buy it, the retail price is $18. Next, the next is the Sol Janeiro Cocoa Banana Cream, and it's this one. Cocoa Banana Cream Moisture Magnet Oil in Water Cream. So this is supposed to be a hydrating cream. Sol Janeiro. Sol de Janeiro. I think that's how you pronounce it. But I've tried one of the Boom Boom Cream from the Sol Janeiro, and that smells so good too. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like coconut and vanilla. Vanilla. Put that all over my hand. It smells good. It smells like cookie. It smells like macaroons because it's coconut. And this Cocoa Banana Cream, the full price is $20. Next is the Too Faced. Wow, this is one of my favorites. So the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This is one of my favorite. I'm actually not gonna open this because I've already tried it. This is my favorite, but the only thing for me is this is not a waterproof. I like my my mascara to be waterproof because my lids or my eye, I'm too oily. So whenever I wear a non-waterproof, it will transfer under here, and so I look like a raccoon, and we don't want that. But anyways, this one I'm gonna toss it to my giveaway pile. The price of the Better Sex Mascara from Too Faced is $24. So that this itself already costs more than the box, so you know it's worth it. The next is the Pretty Vulgar highlighter. This one retails $32, and it's the Shimmering Swan Sparkling Sass. Ooh, Sparkling Sass. So this is what it is. Oh my gosh, you know guys, I love my highlighter. So this is gonna be well loved. Okay, I'm gonna swatch it. There you go, I swatch it. And that's, can you see it? Oh, there, you can see it from there. Okay, I can't wait to try that one. Alright, next one is, this is the Nude Sticks. I think I've received something like this from Nude Sticks from the past, from my past subscriptions. But this one is this is a magnetic luminous eye color. So this is like a this is a super it says it's a super long wearing eyeshadow pencil with a soft and super gliding and easy to blend. That's what it is. So I think that was all five products that I received from the BoxyCharm. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm just gonna put like just a simple eyeshadow or you know like a makeup look. All of these, well except the mascara, I'm gonna be using on my face. So I'm just gonna do like the fast forward thing while doing my makeup. So hope you enjoy.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
So that's it guys for my BoxyCharm unboxing and you know, trying on. Anyways, all of the product that I used, so for this makeup look, I used the primer, and the primer is really good. I used this primer for under my skin before I put on my foundation. So far so good. It's very light on the skin, and this is Korean brand too. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep on trying to use this one. The Bum Bum cream, as I showed earlier, I love the smell, I love the texture. It's very hydrating. It's good for whenever, especially this time of the year, it's winter, our skin gets dry, so this is a must-have. The mascara is a Too Faced mascara. I didn't open it because I have one opened, which is a sample size, and I didn't bring it in the makeup room, so I wear a different mascara. But anyways, yeah, this one is really good. Next is the Pretty Vulgar highlighter. You know me, I love my highlighter, so I really love it. It's not, I thought it's gonna be chalky, but it's not, and it's really, it's very pigmented. and I love how it's not like too chunky, and it's really good in the face. Like, look at my face right now with my highlighter, with my highlighter beaming. Yeah, so this is going to my collection, and yes, I love this one, the Pretty Vulgar. This one, I think this is available in Sephora also. This one is a yes. The nude sticks. The nude sticks, actually I put it on my lid as a shimmer. I didn't really try to make like a really, you know, like glamorous makeup look, because I'm gonna go to work after this. It's really good. It looks like I had like a bronzy. It's very pigmented. If you put this on and you lay a different eyeshadow, I think it will also gonna help your eyeshadow to stick a little bit longer. So yeah, this one is pretty good. So I think those are all 5 products for $21 a month. Who can beat that? You know, it's really good. They're all full sizes. I really love it. If I didn't love it, I wouldn't be subscribed with them for about 4 years now. But anyways, please, if you like this video and if you are interested to get a BoxyCharm box, you can click on my link down below and have a referral code down below. So if you want to try it, go ahead, try it. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you love this. I hope you like it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated. Thank you so much, guys, and spread the love. Bye.